Imagine yourself standing on the starting line of a race, facing a challenge that seems insurmountable. Maybe it's a career goal you've been striving for, a personal dream you've been chasing, or a daunting task that lies ahead. In that moment, doubt creeps in, and you start to hear voices telling you that you can't win. But here's the thing, the only voice that truly matters is your own. Think about all the successful people throughout history who faced immense obstacles but refused to give in to doubt or negativity. Take Thomas Edison, for example. He failed over 1,000 times before successfully inventing the light bulb. Imagine if he had listened to the voice that said, "You can't win," he would have never achieved what he did. The truth is, the biggest barrier to success often lies within ourselves. It's the voice of self-doubt, fear of failure, or the opinions of others that hold us back. But here's the secret: you have the power to silence those voices. You have the ability to choose which thoughts to listen to and which ones to ignore. It's not about ignoring the reality of challenges or pretending that everything is easy. It's about recognizing that your mindset and attitude play a crucial role in determining your success. Instead of focusing on what you can't do, focus on what you can do. Instead of dwelling on past failures, use them as stepping stones towards future success. Take the story of Michael Jordan, widely regarded as one of the greatest basketball players of all time. He was cut from his high school basketball team, but instead of letting that setback define him, he used it as motivation to work harder. He famously said, "I failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed." So the next time you hear that voice telling you that you can't win, remember this: you are in control of your own destiny. You have the power to overcome obstacles, defy expectations, and achieve greatness. Don't let anyone, including yourself, convince you otherwise. Believe in your abilities, trust in your instincts, and never stop pushing forward. Because the only one who can truly tell you you can't win is you, and you don't have to listen.